Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue Airways welcomes you to Orlando, home of Mickey. Out of the mouth. The local time is 7:02. As we taxi to the gate, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carrying items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please be careful when opening overhead bins, as articles do have a tendency to shift during flight. If you do have checked bags today, your bags can be retrieved at carousel A11, that's Apple 11, for those of you that do have checked bags. If you do have a bag tag receipt that says claim at gate or a stroller, you may claim those items outside the forward aircraft door upon arrival. If you do need special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, we ask that you remain comfortably seated so that we may better assist you. The next time you're online, please visit jetblue.com for our newest routes, lowest possible fares, and information on TrueBlue, our customer loyalty program. On behalf of us all here at JetBlue Airways, especially this JFK-based in-flight crew, thank you for jetting with us down from Syracuse today, folks. We hope you have a wonderful time on your vacation in the Orlando area. If you are home, welcome home, and we look forward to seeing you on a JetBlue flight very soon.